it's me. Sorry that I didn't make no videos about at my soccer practice. I didn't have practice because of this Thanksgiving week. Because the school that I go practice at, they didn't have school, so they didn't turn on the lights. Right now I'm just in pajamas because I'm about to go to sleep. Here's my dog just like on the bed because our mom lets us, but our dad doesn't. And I asked my mom right now, and she said yes. He's just laying on right now.
Okay, there. I got it. It's shaky.
He like wants to fall asleep, but he can't because of the noise, because of me making the video. So next week I'm gonna make more videos of videos about my soccer practice, and on Thursday I have practice, but I don't go because I'm just gonna make videos on Thursday too. I'm just gonna like make something up. We might make we could do